Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan. And what if I tell you that one of the finest marketers is giving 10 of his softwares for the price of one on this Black Friday deal? Yes, this sounds crazy, but without wasting any more time, I just want to take you quickly to my dashboard and show you those 10 softwares. And trust me, if you're watching this video, you don't want to miss this deal. Okay? And there are bonuses that I'm giving away with this. So, uh, it's been a while since I've posted a review on my YouTube channel, but go ahead and watch this video to the end. Don't miss this. Let's go to my screen quickly. So I'll jump to my screen now. Okay. So if you see here, he says, have I lost my mind? I'm giving you 10 of our best softwares release of 2024 at the price of one. So right now you can get lifetime access to our top 10 best-selling softwares with 35 quality courses, which is over $24,000 worth of our premium tools and assets for one-time small payment. Now, I just want to quickly play this video, okay? So you can see what's happening inside, okay? Let's get started.
Neil, are you crazy?
Well, maybe a little. Why do you ask?
You're telling me we're giving away 10 of our best-selling softwares that are worth well over 10,000 bucks for just 37.
Yep, it's Black Friday and I wanted to do something big this year, so lifetime access to 10 of our best software for a one-time price.
But why? We have spent years building these tools. These tools can help businesses create content, generate leads, automate their entire marketing. Isn't this a bit too much?
See, that's exactly why I'm doing it. I want every entrepreneur out there, whether they're starting out or whether they're intermediate or advanced, to have access to everything that they could need in their business. No excuses, no huge price tags, just everything they need to crush it in 2025.
All right, let's talk about what's actually in this deal because this is not your typical Black Friday discount. Neil, can you please explain it?
All right, so let me walk you through it. You're getting access to 10 game-changing software applications. Number one is Franken AI. Now, this is your personal marketing powerhouse. Just add your website URL and it will generate a year's worth of content for you, all at the push of a button. And it will automatically post it for you as well. It's like having an in-house marketing team without the price tag. Then we have Content Gorilla, with which you can create 365 days of SEO optimized content that can be automatically posted to your blog as well. Content creation has never been easy until now. Then we have Chat Gorilla, our $12 million secret weapon. It's packed with more than 1,000 AI prompts that will help you create winning campaigns at the push of a button. Number four is SEO Guard. Now with this, you never have to worry about your pages not indexing in Google. Creating content is all well and good, but if your pages are not actually getting picked up by Google, then you're missing out on all the traffic. And SEO Guard takes care of that for you, again, automatically. Number five is AI Open Door. Now, this is a foolproof way of finding local business leads and reaching out to them with the right kind of offers, right kind of services that you can sell as well. It automates a lot of B2B outreach for you. Number six is Newbie Suite. Imagine having 10 powerful marketing applications all in one dashboard. From building pages to AI copywriting to lead generation, everything is built inside of Newbie Suite to make your journey easier. Number seven is voice to content. Don't want to type? No problem. Just record a quick audio and voice to content will create any kind of content that you need for your marketing needs. Number eight is ClickView. Now this is our modern MGML based email drag and drop creation platform, and it's going to help you create emails that are lightweight and have higher likelihood of inboxing. Previous customers that have used this have noticed anywhere between 2x to 4x open rates and click-through rates, even in a split test. Number nine is Survey. This survey tool will help convert your cold leads into warm traffic. With intelligent survey funnels, you can build your email list and you can turn them into buyers as well. And number 10 is AI Advantage, your complete AI marketing toolkit. With templates, business scaling tools, and a solution for every stage of your business, your journey, this is going to help you dominate online and offline.
Wow, Neil, these tools pretty much cover everything there is to marketing: SEO, content creation, email marketing, lead generation, and so.
So you just saw that, right? So basically, this is a crazy deal. Plus, you can also go down and you're just getting this for $37. You're getting all these software for $37. Okay. Now, apart from that, what's more interesting on this sales page is you can simply go to at the bottom, okay, and you can watch the videos of these softwares or on what they can exactly do. So this is the software number one, Franken AI. And if I just play the video of this, so let's see what this software does quickly. So it's a complete in-house marketing team.
Let me show you how you can create and execute
that
an
automates
entire
everything. So
business
it's your
marketing
automated
plan
marketing
for your
powerhouse
business for the next 360
that transforms your business with a single click. Simply input your year and watch as it creates an entire year of marketing tasks, comprehensive strategies, and actionable content plan. It's like having your own in-house growth marketing team without the hefty price tag. So I'll just play this video quickly so that you can see what it does, okay?
Let me show you how you can create and execute an entire business marketing plan for your business for the next 365 days, just like we do for our multiple businesses. So let's go ahead and create a new plan. When you do, you can add in details using various different mechanisms based on the kind of access that you have. At the very least, you can add a description of your product or service and a link to the website. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So these are the details of Franken AI. I could have also used a website. Depending on your level of access, you can also use audio or upload a document. I can choose one of multiple languages, as you can see over here, and then I can choose a starting date. I can choose platforms. Again, depends on the kind of access that you have. So in this case, I'll choose Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can choose objectives. So what do you want out of the post that you make? Do you want increased brand awareness? Do you want more customer loyalty? Do you want to maybe make sales? In which case, you can just go ahead and look for the right objectives. And how often do you want to post? Every day or over a certain period of days? And then do you want to include weekend or not? Do you want to include images or not? And do you want automatic extended task details or not? Let's proceed to the next step. Let me show you what you get. Within a few seconds, you will see all the tasks popping up, and you can see this is what needs to be done for the next 14 days. And just go ahead and you can look at the task details, and you can also see the entire content that you need to post.
So you can pretty much see how powerful this software is. Then I'll quickly jump to another video, Content Gorilla, okay, and let's see what this does. Okay, I'm going to see the first 3 to 4 software. I'm going to show the first 3 to 4 softwares in this video, and then you will be amazed on the powerful things this guy is giving in for the price of one. So I'll play this video quickly.
New level, produce content much faster, and produce content that actually ranks on search engines. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Say hello to Content Gorilla 2024. Now, the first thing on the dashboard you're going to notice is that Content Gorilla.
So this creates and publishes 365 days of SEO ready content instantly, okay?
Allows you to create content from videos. Now, this could be videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or you could even take out transcriptions from your own videos by uploading them onto Content Gorilla using the transcription feature. Now for this demo, I'm just gonna stick with YouTube and show you how easy it is to create good quality content that you can also publish onto your WordPress as well as your social media channels. So let's go ahead and start. So for instance, I want to create a post on how to lose body fat, right? Let's give it a search and select whatever video it is that you'd like to use, perhaps this one. Now once you're here, you're going to see that the video that you've selected is converted into content, and it's basically fetched its captions, and we already have like a 2500 word post, which is kind of good. But the problem here now is that this content is going to read as a video because it was taken from a video. So the first thing that we want to do is convert it into.
So you can pretty much see that, right? So there are 5-minute videos for every software. So you can just go on the sales page, just click the button below this video and go on the sales page, and you can see what each software does by clicking the play button. You can pretty much see that, okay? And you can get this for just $37, okay? The price is $37, getting all 10 softwares, okay? Now, apart from that, here is what I suggest and recommend, okay? So they are giving these 10 softwares for $37, which you can get right away. Plus, there's an offer bump for 33 courses, which is for $30. Now, so these are the 33 courses that you get if you get the offer bump. Okay, my first 1,000 5-day course, 30-day membership launch. Then there is 21-day recurring machine, crazy little funnels, webinar income machine, white label sales mastery, overnight list success challenge, pitch perfect positioning, funnel creation playbook, social community secrets, survey salesman, membership creation playbook. Now, it took them 10 years to create each of these trainings, and you're getting all these trainings for just $30 offer bump. This is another crazy thing that he is doing. Then there's Cold Email Academy, Evergreen Funnel Training, and all of that, okay? Software Development Roadmap. This is a powerful thing coming from someone who has been developing softwares for the last 10 years. That is Neil Napier. So you're getting this for $30. So plus the OTO one is something that I would highly recommend you to take. You know why? Because when you get the OTO one for $297, you are getting an opportunity to use all of these 10 softwares for unlimited features, okay? So imagine it's like you maybe if you buy each of these software for unlimited features, you would have to pay over $4,000 to $5,000, and you're getting all the unlimited features for all these 10 softwares if you get it for $297. If you just pay $297. So if you can afford the $297, I would highly recommend you to do that. Apart from that, the bonuses that I am giving away if you get this software right away is I am giving you access to my CPA affiliate platform, my CPA affiliate, my special bonus access to my CPA affiliate marketing platform for 1 year, using which you can refer it to others and get paid 60% commission on every referral that you bring in. So we are still in the beta stage, and you will get early access to this. So this is my CPA affiliate marketing platform. I don't want to go too deep into about this, but this is a very powerful thing that I've created, and you can pretty much go here on this link, and you can click this button, watch the webinar here, and you can understand what my platform is. But this is a powerful thing. I'm currently promoting it, and I've made over $1,000 so far promoting this platform. You get your own you get your own referral link, okay, which you can copy and you can promote it to anyone, okay? So that being said, I highly recommend you to get this software as soon as possible and get these bonuses. Okay. So that being said, thank you for watching, and I wanted to make this video quick and fast and hope you liked it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe, because there are some big things coming on that I would be posting on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you don't want to miss those updates. Thank you for watching. This is Shabir Khan, and see you in the inside. Okay.